Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to do analysis in US30, predict on the price action for the coming week. As usual, I'll do the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use this as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. It's not a trading advice. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we analyze the price action from the weekly time frame, let us look at the trend of the market. It started its bullish trend from here. I'm connecting the next high, then I'm connecting the next high and drawing the trend line. It is still in a very nice bullish trend. You can clearly notice that it has retraced, taken support on this trend line and started its bullish trend reversal. So this trend line or the support line, it's still valid. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in this currency pair in weekly time frame. But after the price action crossed this resistance line, presently acting as a support line, you can notice that it lost its bullish momentum and it started trading on a sideways. When we draw the channel pattern and check the current trend of the market, I'm taking the low and connecting with the next low. It is very clear that the trend is moving on a sideways and it has lost its bullish momentum. Here it has bounced back on the bearish side. Although the current price action has bounced back from this support line, when the price action tries to go on the bullish side, we can expect this support line to be acting as a resistance in the future. The overall trend of the market in weekly time frame also, it is in sideways, but still it is trading above this support line. It is still in bullish but on a sideways market. And when we look at the major price action, this level has acted as a resistance level and currently also it is acting as a resistance level for the present price action. After breaking this resistance line, we can notice that there was a very nice bullish trend. Again it bounced back and took support on this support line and again bounced back on the bullish side. Finally it broke this support line and you can notice that it was on a bearish trend and bounced back. Currently this support line is acting as a resistance line for the present price action. So major price action happened between this resistance line and the support line. So this whole area will be acting as a very important zone for the price action in the coming future. If the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a downtrend, and if the price action bounces back from this support line, we can expect the bullish trend to start in this currency pair. When we draw the support and resistance levels, so this is the current resistance and support zone where the price action is trading, and if the price action comes on the bearish trend also, we can expect the trend line or the support line from weekly time frame to prevent the market from falling on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis of the current price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action from the daily time frame, this level is still acting as a very strong resistance level. After testing this resistance line, we have noticed the price action bounce back on the bearish side, and this trend line or the support line from the weekly time frame has stopped the price action from falling further on the bearish side. Currently the price action has gone on the bullish side, but when we look at the bullish momentum also, it has not broken the previous high, which means the current trend is still in a bearish trend. So current market doesn't have enough bullishness or bearishness. It is on a sideways for now. And when we analyze the chart pattern formation, the current price action is forming similar to one head and shoulder pattern. We can notice that there is a left hand shoulder being formed and it is in the process of forming the right hand shoulder, and this whole area will be acting as a neck level. So if the price action breaks this support level of 34343, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair and to retest on this trend line or the support line. So currently the price action don't have a bullish trend or bearish trend, but it is finding strong resistance at the resistance level of 34797, and if the price action doesn't break this resistance level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal and to retest on this support level of 34364. So this level of 34347 is very important point to decide whether the bearish trend is going to continue or a bullish trend is going to start. And when we draw the trend line and check the current trend of the market also, from here it started its bearish trend, and we can clearly notice that this level is acting as a support level for now, and if the price action breaks this trend line or the support line, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. But for now, current price action is trading within this resistance and support level, and it is in a sideways. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it was on a very nice bullish trend, took resistance at the resistance level of 35041 and started its bearish trend reversal. And again the price action took support on this support line or the trend line from daily time frame and started its bullish trend. So you can draw trend lines like this. Whenever the price action breaks this support line or trend line, you can take trades on the bearish side, and current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend, but the price action has to break this previous high of 35044 in order to continue its bullish trend reversal. So wait for the price action to break this previous high of 3547 to take trades on the bullish side. Otherwise we can expect the price action to retrace and wait for it to break this trend line. You can take trades on the bearish side. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is also on a sideways market. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. As we know from the hourly time frame, the current trend of the market is in a very nice bullish trend. We can notice that it has taken support on this trend line or support line from the hourly time frame, and it is in a bullish trend reversal. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect a bullish trend reversal to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. But we have the higher time frame resistance line over here. It has to break this resistance level in order to continue with bullish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing one more trend line for the 5 minutes time frame, and you can notice that previously the price action was in a very nice downtrend and has taken support on this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame, and it is on a retracement to retest on this resistance line from the 5 minutes time frame. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend reversal in 5 minutes time frame. Wait for it to break this resistance line to go on a bullish side trades, or wait for it to break this support line to take trades on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support level for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has tested this support line from the hourly time frame, and it is in a bullish trend reversal. And since this is a 5 minutes time frame, we can notice multiple trends in this time frame, and whenever the price action bounces back and trend reversal happens, you take the trades on the direction the trend reversal happens. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.